Hello everyone and welcome to a quick demo video for the project that we have made with the HackOnBlocks. Our project is an NFT marketplace specifically made for Indian users and for Indian art form based NFTs. So let me quickly show you the home page or the landing page of our application. So our application is called DC NFT and this is the landing page made in Next.js and Tailwind CSS. Very simple landing page. Here we have an option to connect a wallet and there are the simple features for application. The first one is obviously you can connect your wallet here using MetaMask. I'll show you how to do it. Then you can list your NFTs, you can mint NFTs, you can sell your NFTs and buy NFTs listed by other people too. So these are some of the examples of what type of NFTs we would like to be listed on this platform. So let me quickly show you how can you log in. So you just have to click on the connect button on the home screen. Then the MetaMask enter your password. With the click of the button, you have now logged in. This is the home page. Currently, there are no NFTs listed here, but they will surely be NFTs once people start using it. There are two more pages. One is the create NFT page and other is the profile page. The create NFT page is the page that you can list your NFT, and the profile page shows the NFTs that you have listed on the platform right now and the NFTs that you have bought out. So this was the application, really simple application made on the Polygon test network, Cardona test network. A quick showdown of the GitHub repository as well. This is the repository and I've written the readme very well. So if you want to set it up locally, then you can do it. Just have to clone it and follow the simple instructions. First have to compile the code and then add your private key and then it will be ready to use or deploy. So that's it. That was the presentation. This was our project. We have deployed it on the Polygon Cardona testnet. So we are competing for the Polygon